thick pork soup. There, thick pork soup or pork soup. What actually
Japanese name for that soup?
Tonjiro is a Japanese name.
Duran.
You wondered why. Actually, this is their heavy meal. In Japanese, they don't really use much oil. They're not more into fatty food. They're more into steamed and broiled food. And then our dessert would be ice cream. In Japan, actually, their dessert is just beans or not really coffee jelly. And well, you can get a lot of nutrients from this. There's celery. There's their drink is green tea. They're not more into cold. No, sake.
Sake. Kanina ni mix sake. Kanina ni mix sake kana.
The celery has sake. Sake is rice wine. Rice wine, yeah. They use sake for taste, more smell, more taste, and to lighten up the dish.
I see some Arinola here, Dikyo.
Their drink is actually more green tea. They even have green tea ice cream.
Look at
So
what you serve.
This is the real thing.
This is the top mata. No, gihurot na ganyan yung baboy. No, din yung baboy na yun, tolo. Ako na baboy sa.
Or inyong rice gamit ordinary ra.
You can use ordinary rice.